How do you refuel a Mitsubishi Outlander? So first of all, we need to open the fuel filler. We can easily open it up by pressing this specific button right here. Now, if you look over on the far left side, you will see a button clearly marked with a fuel symbol and the official logo. And in this case, we can go to the back. This cover here opens up for us. As you can see, it opens automatically. We have information about the type of fuel we can use. It's E5 or E10 fuel. So we can unscrew the fuel cap. We can choose to leave the vehicle right here or perhaps place it over in this spot, and once that is settled, we can proceed to the next step of refueling. Now, we have the option to choose between E5 or E10 gasoline for the car. We actually have two different types of E10 gasoline available here. So let's go ahead and choose the regular, simplest 95 octane option and start the refueling process. So we come over here to the pump, press the button firmly, and the refueling begins immediately. Thank you.